From Pain to Strength, Transforming Emotional Wounds as an INFP. Emotional wounds are a profound part of the human experience, impacting us in various ways. For those with the INFP personality type, grappling with these wounds can be particularly challenging. INFPs, also known as the healers or idealists, possess a unique ability to empathize deeply with others, but often struggle to navigate their emotional landscape. We delve into the transformative journey of healing emotional wounds as an INFP, unlocking the hidden potential for growth and self-discovery. As an INFP, you possess a unique ability to understand and empathize with others deeply. However, this sensitivity can also make you more susceptible to emotional wounds. Transforming these wounds into sources of strength is a powerful journey that can lead to personal growth and resilience. Here are some steps to help you along this transformative path. Understand yourself. You are an INFP, meaning you are a reflective individual, driven by your values and guided by a rich internal world. You possess a remarkable capacity for empathy and are often sensitive to the emotions of others. However, this predisposition towards compassion can leave you vulnerable to emotional wounds. INFPs tend to internalize pain, often neglecting their needs to heal others. INFPs must recognize that caring for themselves is equally important as caring for others. Hence, do not forget yourself, but learn more about yourself. Acknowledging emotional wounds. The first step in transforming emotional wounds as an INFP is acknowledging their existence. INFPs may tend to bury their pain or dismiss its significance, unintentionally perpetuating the cycle of hurt. By recognizing and embracing their emotional wounds, INFPs can begin the healing journey and reclaim their power. Self-compassion and self-care. INFPs excel at extending compassion to others, but must also learn to direct it inward. Self-compassion is a vital component of the healing process. They should show mercy to others as much as they offer it to themselves. By treating themselves with kindness, patience, and acceptance, INFPs can create a nurturing environment where wounds can be tended to and transformed. Engaging in self-care activities such as journaling, practicing mindfulness, or engaging in creative pursuits can also help heal, as these activities open a window to self-expression and self-awareness. Seeking support. While INFPs often cherish their solitude, seeking support from trusted individuals is essential for growth and healing. Whether through therapy, support groups, or confiding in close friends, INFPs can benefit significantly from the insights and perspectives of others. This external support system can provide a safe space for INFPs to express their emotions, gain fresh insights, and receive guidance on their healing journey. Reframing pain as growth. INFPs possess a unique ability to extract beauty from pain. By reframing emotional wounds as opportunities for growth, INFPs can transform their experiences into valuable life lessons from the experience. This perspective shift allows them to harness their innate creativity and channel their emotions into artistic expressions such as writing, painting, or music. Through this process, INFPs can heal not only themselves, but also touch the lives of others on a deeper level. Transforming emotional wounds as an INFP is a powerful and transformative journey of self-discovery. INFPs can unleash their hidden potential for healing. Embracing this transformative process leads to personal growth. It equips INFPs with the wisdom and empathy needed to navigate the intricacies of the human experience, ensuring a brighter, more compassionate future for themselves and those around them.